Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add develop effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit. And after this, you can click on the effect at the bottom and then click on the video effect. And now at the menu, you can swipe until you can see a shadow. You can click on it and after this you can see in here you can click on the develop effect, so you just click on it, and after this you can click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at bottom. Can adjust for the speed and for the background animation, and after this for the soften, like this. And now you can click a check icon at the bottom. Sorry. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add develop effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.